Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and I'm extremely excited to be showing you this fabulous home in Old Town Kenilworth. Nash House really is very special. It's situated in a beautiful and private plot with stunning views over Abbey Fields, and you can just walk down into Old Town Kenilworth. Let's take a look around. You've joined on the rear terrace of this absolutely incredible home. The sun's beating down on us, we've got views right across the Abbey Fields, and we've got this generous and beautiful back garden which has been landscaped over the years. If you'd like more information, please contact me in the details that follow. Thanks for watching.